How to find working Hungry Jack's promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Hungry Jack's promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Hungry Jacks. Just scroll down and check out any of the website and hit towards it. I'm gonna use this one, Coupon Boards. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Hungry Jacks. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 20% off, 50% off, $30 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to use, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can hit towards the website of Hungry Jacks and use this code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Hungry Jacks. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Hungry Jacks. So this is how you can easily find working Hungry Jacks promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.